Hello everyone. So today I have the Toshiba computer. As you can see, it's in really rough condition. It's filthy and the screen is cracked. So you might be wondering, how am I going to be able to fix this? Well, this is how you fix it right here. Now to clean it off, you just want to that's the front side. We're going to turn it over on the back side and get it cleaned up right here. You see all the filth on there. See how filthy that top is? On the side, the bottom of it. Filthy as fuck. Now, as you can see, it's still a little filthy on this side. So, don't forget the other side too. And now we're going to dry it off. To dry it off, you just want to if that doesn't work, you can always just and there you go. You have a clean laptop that's ready to use. I'm gonna get my animation work done now. What the fuck? Why isn't it? Oh man, it doesn't work anymore. God damn it! Hello everyone. I'm Eric here at Eric Phones Media to show you how to repair a laptop if your laptop's not working. You want to know how to do it? I'll show you. This is one of my laptops right here. It's a Toshiba computer. And isn't working, it won't turn on even if I put on the charger. See? I'm pushing the power button, but it won't turn on. So how am I going to be able to fix this? Well, first we have to disassemble the computer to check the components. And how do we do that? Well, first we have to get a screwdriver. Now, let me go look for my well-good screwdriver. Oh, here it is. Step one, you want to get a well-good screwdriver. If the computer is still on, you want to shut it down by pushing the stop button. Let's push the stop button right now. Once that has been done, we have to find it. Well, we already got a screen off to make sure the screen isn't faulty. So, the screen, as you can see, the screen is not faulty. Well, the screen doesn't appear to be faulty, as we can see. Now that we've checked the screen, we gotta check to see if the battery's in there. Seems to be in there, but it's not turning on. However, it's not turning on. How are we gonna fix that? Well, let's check the components with a freaking, I don't know, multimeter, because I don't know where mine is, so let's check. Hello? This is checking the multimeter. Oh man, it's not doing it. Upon further inspection, it appears that the screen is faulty. So how are we going to fix that? Well, I'll show you. So this is how you remove the screen perfectly. That's how you remove the screen perfectly. Now that we've removed the screen, there's no screen now. How are we going to test to see if the computer's not faulty? Well, it still doesn't seem to be turning on, so the computer might be faulty. So, let's check and see if the computer's faulty. To see if the computer's faulty, we have to see if it works with the tree test. Well, we've done the tree test, and the computer still isn't working. So, it appears that the computer may be faulty. Now, what do we do after the computer's entirely faulty? Well, I'm sorry to say, but you might have to get a new computer, and what do we do with this one? Well, we'll just have to throw it away. The keyboard's faulty too, so we'll have to throw it away too.